A lot of excitement at the Upper Iowa Conference track meet. Boys Division won by South Winneshiek, but Turkey Valley was in there at second place. And we'll look at the 400-meter run brought to you by the Farmers Mill in Protivin. Probably the exciting race of the day as you watch him come here down the stretch. Four runners with a shot at it. Michael Havel, Southwind, Jacob Dotzler, MFL. But that's Jordan Schmidt right now in the lead with Nathan Sewell coming right on his hind end. And it's going to be Schmidt just by a nose, 51.86 the winning time. Sewell in at 51.87. Dotzler was third and Havel fourth. A couple of proud grandparents of their grandson Nathan who finished second, but he really put on a charge there at the end. Almost looked like he was going to get him, Jordan Schmidt. Let's watch it again here as Schmidt right now you see has the upper hand, but Sewell is closing. He's closing in a hurry. Quite a bit of ground to make up, but he almost did it. Only lost by 1/100 of a second. A great race by Nathan Sewell and also Jordan Schmidt. Schmidt also picked up a first place in the high jump at the Upper Iowa Conference track meet. A great race, the 400-meter, brought to you by the Farmers Mill in Protivin. It really is a tradition of excellence and leadership established by the Farmers Mill in Protivin since 1964. Not only for the farmer, but the communities from Check Days to our schools at Trinity and Turkey Valley, as well as our churches and Boy Scout projects. The Merricks and their staff have been there front and center, helping the farmer and the community establishing a tradition of excellence since 1964. The Farmers Mill in Protivin.